Selecting cells in a worksheet. Apart from entering data into a worksheet,
Excel 2016
also provides the facility to perform various other operations with data such as modifying, inserting, moving/copying, and deleting. To perform all these operations, we first need to select the cell that contains data.
Excel 2016
allows us to select a single cell or a group of cells. Single cell. Click on the cell to select it. Group of cells or range. Click on the first cell from where you want to start the selection and drag the mouse diagonally up to the cell to which you want to make selection. We can also select a range of cells by using the Shift key. Click on the first cell and then press and hold the Shift key down and click on the last cell up to which we want to make selection. Entire row/column. Click on the row heading to select the entire row or click on the column heading to select the entire column. Entire worksheet. Click on the Select All button located below the name box to select the entire worksheet. Shortcut key to select the entire worksheet is Ctrl+A. Modifying cell content.
Excel 2016
provides two ways to modify or change the content of a cell. One is editing the content in edit mode, and other is overwriting or replacing the entire content of the cell directly. To activate the edit mode and change the content of a cell, follow these steps. Step 1.
Select the cell in which you want to edit the content.
Step 2. Double-click on the cell whose content we want to change. The edit mode is activated and a blinking cursor is appeared in the clicked cell. We can now make the required changes. After making all the changes, press the Enter key from the keyboard. The changed data is displayed in the cell.
You can also click the cell that contains the data that you want to edit and then press F2 key. Another way is to select the cell that you want to edit and then click anywhere in the formula bar and make the required changes.